Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Shweta and I make the videos on makeup, skincare and many more. If you are interested in such kind of video, then subscribe to my channel and also keep watching this video if you want to achieve this kind of flawless base makeup. So without wasting our time, let's get into the video. First we have to prep our skin. I'm using this simple moisturizer to moisturize my skin. देन गिव 4 to 5 मिनट योर मॉइस्चराइज़र टू सेटल डाउन इनटू द स्किन. अगर हम अपने मॉइस्चराइज़र को टाइम नहीं देते हैं स्किन में अच्छे से सेटल होने का, तो आगे जाके हमारे मेकअप केकी होने लगता है. सो अवॉइड दैट केकी इफेक्ट. ऑलवेज गिव अ टाइम टू योर मॉइस्चराइज़र बिफोर स्टार्ट द मेकअप. After that we should have to use a primer. I am using this sugar primer. You will use according to your skin type. Primer gives us a soft and smooth canvas to work on and also create a barrier between your skin and makeup. अगर आपके स्किन ब्रेकआउट कर जाती है ईजिली और आप प्राइमर यूज़ करते हैं तो वो एक बैरियर क्रिएट कर देगा मेकअप और आपकी स्किन के बीच में, जिससे आपकी स्किन कंजस्टेड नहीं होगी, आपके पोर्स क्लॉग नहीं होंगे और आपको ब्रेकआउट की प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. नाउ यू शुड हैव टू कलर करेक्ट योर फेस फर्स्ट. इफ़ यू हैव एनी काइंड ऑफ डिसकलरेशन, use orange corrector, but if you don't have orange corrector you can also use a two-tone darker concealer. I'm using this Kryolan base 626D. It will work same. Never avoid this step. अगर आप अपने फेस को कलर करेक्ट नहीं करते हो तो आगे जाके आपका फेस डल दिखने लगता है और आपका मेकअप ग्रे होने लगता है. तो अवॉइड दिस. ऑलवेज डू कंसील योर फेस फर्स्ट and only conceal or color correct those areas where you have a problem or discoloration. Do not use much product all over your face and blend it well in a dabbing motion. And give your blending 1 or 2 minutes so you do not leave any patches on your skin. Use a small dense brush to blend your concealer. It will give you nice finish. Now I am using my Milani foundation in the shade Natural 02 and mixing it with Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade 128. Because Milani foundation is little bit lighter for my skin tone, and that's why I am mixing these two shades always, because it will give me a perfect shade of mine. Now I am applying it all over my face with the help of using this flat brush. Always use this kind of flat brush to apply your foundation because it spread your foundation well on all over your face. Now I am taking this dense foundation brush to blend it in a dabbing motion. You can also use a beauty blender to blend your foundation, but that gives you a little bit less coverage than brush. I am personally like to use brush because it will give me a nice coverage and flawless finish too. Now I am taking this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Tan Light to highlight my face. Use in a less quantity because if you use too much product it will look cakey. I am applying it all on my high points. Now I am taking this small concealing blending brush to blend it. Never drag your brush, always blend your foundation in a dabbing motion. Now I am taking this Kryolan base in the shade FS27 for contouring my face. I am applying it with the help of flat brush on all over the areas where I needed to contour. I am sharpening my nose, jawline and the forehead. Now I am taking this concealing blending brush to blend it. Always blend your cheek contour on upward because it gives you uplift effect. I am using with this same technique on the right side too and blend it well in an upward motion. Now I am blending my jawline in a downward stroke. Don't drag your brush upward. Now I am blending my nose contour in a dabbing motion on the same area. Now I am taking this Nykaa Matte Compact in the shade Chestnut 08. I am using this shade to lock my cream contour. With the help of this puffy straight brush, I'm applying it on all over my cream contour areas. Always lock your cream contour with the powder contour because it will make it long last and give your face more depth. If you are medium to fair skin tone, then this shade will work you perfectly as a contour. Now I am taking this angular puffy brush to blend the powder contour as well and remove all the harsh lines. Now I am taking this Fit Me Compact in the shade 128 and lock my base with the help of this compact. If you are from dry skin people, do not use much powder because use of too much product makes your base cakey. So use in a limit only the areas where you need it and you. If you are a oily skin people, then focus on the areas where your sebum production is more. Now I'm taking this blush from Anne by Bay in the shade Cloudy Pink and apply it all over my cheeks. Whenever you will take blush, always take in a less quantity and then build it up over again. If you take so much product in your brush, it will look patchy, so avoid that patchy effect. Using this technique, it will look flawless on your face. Your blush looks so much good. Now I am taking this Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petal. For a smooth and natural application, using your makeup setting spray and spray it on your brush and then apply your highlighter. It will give you a natural finish and this techniques give you a very smooth subtle effect. I will apply all over my high points. Now I am taking this Faces Canada Fixing Setting Spray and set all my makeup with this. Now I am going to apply my lipstick and fill my brows and come with the final look.